Hello everyone, it's me Srishtika Bhaste from grade 9 Gandaki, and today I'm here to deliver you some information about histogram. So let's start. So what is histogram? A histogram is a graphical representation of a data using bars of different heights. A histogram shows which range has the highest or lowest number of data points. This makes it useful in many real-life situations, such as analyzing test scores, measuring temperatures, or tracking the number of people in different age groups. Before making histogram, we must follow some rules. It should be graphically represented. It should be the two-dimensional diagram, and the x-axis should represent the class interval and the y-axis should represent the frequency. The weight of each bar should be equal. There should be no gaps between two consecutive rectangles. It cannot be drawn for discrete data. It only can be made from the continuous data. It is the visual representation for continuous data. So let's start with the example. There's a table where the heights and the number of students are given. So the height between 65 to 70 is 4, 70 to 75 is 10, 75 to 80 is 8, and 80 to 85 is 4. Here is the histogram for the given data. This side shows the frequency, whereas this side shows the weight of the students. So you might be wondering what this sign is about. This sign represents the data that are before the data that is shown in the given histogram. And here is another example. The table is given, and here is a histogram for the given information. Thank you, and have a great day ahead. I hope you learned about histogram from this video.